back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up these squishy packs. Basically, they're kind of in the same package, but they're bigger. Let's get started. Let's start by dumping all of them out. There's a foot? That's kind of strange. I see Rumakumas in here. That's cute. Rumakuma is so cute. I can't even stand how cute he is. I'm gonna dump these out. Oh, it's more Rumakuma. I love Rumakuma. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Dude, all of these squishies are so cute. You got a lot to open. Which we start by? I'm going to start by this Rumakuma. So yeah, I have this Rumakuma. And I'm going to also open these drawers so I can put some squishies in there. Look at this Rumakuma. Alright, let's put that in. Let's start with, and then we'll do this Rumakuma. He looks like Rumakuma except he doesn't have ears. But his face and stuff looks like Rumakuma. What would you say? Wait, the keychain came out. Alright, it's okay, it's okay. I'm doing to get a closer look. That's like this is like a collection of slow rises. We're gonna do this emoji. Okay, so you can see this emoji bread bun. I think that's what it is. Oh, a smaller bread bun. And different face. I would say these are pretty slow rising. Alright, wait, this isn't orange. Wait, I think the second pack was snacks and fruit. Wait, I see this macaron here I kind of want to open up. Look at this. Okay, this isn't too slow rising. Not as slow rising as Arumakuma. Or this bond. This is like so slow rising. Watch this. What? Like what? Alright, oh, this is crazy. Let's try this one. They're so soft. Make sure to get these off. Damn you. I have more to open. I just can't open it until like a couple weeks. Like we're gonna wait a couple weeks. New videos coming a couple weeks. I would say the soft ones are the most slow rising. What should I do? What should I do? Is this the Makuma? Wait, I don't know if this is the Makuma, but this is super soft. Wait. What? Comment down below what this is. peach. It's a tiny peach. And I can just take a bite out of. Just kidding. A real peach I can take a bite out of. Okay, now I'm gonna sit in the chair. I feel like that's more YouTube stuff. Wait, the keychains just come as if you want to put them on. If not, it's alright. Oh, this one's slow rising. Let's open up this pineapple. This is quite slow rising. The slow riser shop. Some Gurumakuma comes in. I'll open some of them on shorts because they're pretty short to open. This is pretty long to open. Wait, I love this macaron so much. Ew, I hate peanuts, but I like it as squishies. We do not have only a couple more to go. We got a lot. I'm gonna open this foot last because it's kind of weird. Wait, what is this one? Wait. It's a bun. It's a bread bun. It's pink and white. Got no face on it though. But this is so cool. I love the slow rising ones. Alright, let's open this banana. Oh, I love this one. Wait, did they just make these out of sponges? That's like a scam if they made them out of sponges. I don't think sponges can be that slow rising, so no. You see how slow rising this is? This is not a sponge. They would scam us anyway if it was a sponge. It would be a scam. What is this? What is this? Wait, I don't get what this is, but it's kind of cute. I'm gonna do a video where I show all my squishies. This is actually part of it. Actually, I'm not gonna do a video where I show all my squishies. This is just gonna be like most of my squishies. Now, this pineapple is so sorry. Okay, let's get back to work. Is this a pear? There's so many keychains. They're not even hooked up. Okay, anyways, get back to squishing. Oh my goodness. Which one of these are your favorites so far? Comment down below. This is like super duper slow rising. This is the smallest slow rising squishy I've ever seen. What is this? Don't tell me this is another bond. I'm actually not tired of the bonds because like I just love these bonds for some reason. Alright, now we only have a couple more to go. I love that one. Okay. Oh, what's up in this bun? He's bit out of. Like, mm, 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 mm. Like, some of these are my first Rumakuma. Like, Rumakuma. 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 Yeah. These are some of my first Rumakumas. Don't mind me, I'm just down here playing. Wait, what is this? Wait, but there is like, okay, never mind. I thought that was a sponge inside, but it's not. No, not the foot yet. The foot's kind of weird, but I like any type of squishy. What is this? I don't know what this is. Stuff that me and you open will just go in this drawer. Well, not everything. I have a couple more drawers just in case I need them. Alright, we're almost done. There's a bear right here. Wait. What did I do? I thought that was the lemon. This is not my problem. Wait. This is not my problem. This is not my problem. Problem, not my problem. This is not my problem. Let me see what the D. If you want to see. Last one, and the toes. I would say this is kind of slow rising, even in the bag. Wait, I put the bag in the fidget drawer. No way. Wait, how many? 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Because if there was 6, that would be kind of creepy. Okay. Now here's what the little keychains look like. Let me do an ASMR kind of thingy with them. We're done opening up squishies. I'm just doing a quick ASMR thing. Yeah, that's kind of satisfying. A squishy that I got at the main arcade. I love these squishies. Oh no, the orange wool, of course. Now I'm gonna throw away all this trash. Anyways, guys, Um, yeah. Bye bye.